What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg. Today we are doing another vlog for Vlogmas, and we're talking about music. This was actually going to go in my doing shit that makes me happy video that I uploaded on Friday, but it was already so long that I was like, I can just make this its own video because maybe people don't love super long videos. And even though my intention with doing this was having a mix of longer form and shorter form content, I really haven't done that much short form content. So today is going to be the shorter form content for you. Spotify Wrapped came out a few days ago, and if you're one of those people that are like, no one cares about your Spotify Wrapped, like this isn't the video for you, because we just need to let people enjoy things. Like, music is something that is so sacred to me and that means so much to me. So I love seeing people's Spotify Wraps. I really think it's the other way around, and that there's few that don't like it and they just are very loud about it, and that most of us enjoy seeing what we all listen to. So without further ado, I'm gonna go through like the little story playlist that Spotify made, and then I'm also going to share one of my favorite playlists with you. So you'll have to interact with me in the comments down below and let me know what was in your Spotify Wrapped, and if you understood the morning, afternoon, and night, and if you matched with me on anything, or if you got weird, weird things for the morning, afternoon, and night. So let's look at it together. I'm gonna be watching on my screen, and because of the copyright music, I'm just gonna be reading out loud to you what's on the screen. So you'll have to let me know if we have any artists in common or what your top artist was. So let's see what my 2022 wrap up is. This year you ventured into genre-verse, and I explored 51 different genres. Look at you, you little astronaut. Pop, punk, rock, pop, skate punk, indie pop. No one should be surprised. No surprise here. Now, what do we have? From sunrise to sunset, you kept it interesting. Your morning started with sorrow, eerie, introspective, and I am pausing because that's very weird. I have a playlist, I'll link it down below. I show it in another clip. It's called Tarot and Tea, and it's like very like 70s sounding with music from the 70s, but also music from today. And I wouldn't say any of it's eerie or introspective or like sorrow. Like, I saw one of my astrology friends compare the morning, afternoon, and night to their sun, moon, and rising, and I'm like, I don't know, because I don't even know what they're trying to say to me. I seize the day with sad boy, good vibes, poetic. Like, what does that even mean? And I embrace the night with heartache, yearning, pumpkin spice. Like, what is sad boy, good vibes? Like, how does that make sense? So anyways, I listened to 19,686 minutes, and that's more than 72% of other listeners in the United States. With one song, it was Love at First Listen, and it's Tiny Dancer, or Hold Me Closer by Elton John and Britney Spears. Apparently, I played it 41 times in one day. I'm like, how did that happen? But I played 2,701 other songs, but these songs reign supreme. And I do agree with this list. I did listen to this stuff a lot. Love You Little is definitely a song I have on repeat all the time. Lizzo's whole new album I had on repeat. So they basically created a playlist, top 100 songs. So I'm going to show you what's in that playlist. And I listened to 1,201 artists this year, but one ruled my world. Again, this is not going to be a surprise. Shocking. Taylor Swift, 2,274 minutes in the top 2%, yet I could not get tickets to her concert. And Anti-Hero. That should tell you everything you need to know about me if you don't know me. Like, Anti-Hero being my #1 Taylor song. Ugh. So we have Taylor, Lizzo, The Used, Fleetwood Mac, and Avril Lavigne. I'm not surprised. I'm a little surprised Fleetwood Mac wasn't higher up on the list. First two, I definitely agree with. This year had layers like an onion, but you listen to music unlike an onion. So it's time to meet your listening personality. This is like their attempt at Myers-Briggs. So I'm an adventurer. You're a seeker of sound. You venture out into the unknown, searching for the fresher artists, deeper cuts, newer tracks, especially gems yet to be found. Exploration, newness, variety, and uniqueness. Cool. So here you can kind of see a list of my top artists and my top songs, and my top genre is pop punk, and it has been since the early 2000s. No shocking surprises here. In here, I am showing you some of the songs and artists that are on my top songs of 2022, just because I think it's interesting, you know, because music is very personal. At least for me, it's very personal. So you'll have to let me know if we have any artists in common. And if you see an artist you like that's on my playlist, let me know what it is. I mean, it's not a big surprise here. It's a lot of pop punk, and then a lot of 70s. So now I want to share with you the playlist that I love. I love this playlist so much. It's chill vibes. Like, if you just need something on in the background that's not going to be like too distracting, but it's like chill, you know? It's called Tarot and Tea by Haley942, and I downloaded this playlist because she deleted the playlist for a little bit, and I panicked. So when it came back, I downloaded it so I would always have it in case it got deleted again. But again, here are some of the songs and artists, and you can see it's very similar to the top 22 top songs in 2022. Very similar to this playlist because I listen to it so often. So let me know, what is your top music genre and what is on repeat for you? I actually had so much fun doing this. This is definitely more casual, right? Because I'm filming this as I'm editing a video in front of my computer. The lighting isn't the best, whatever. Like, this is like a fun, casual video. Not every video needs to be a big production. And that's something that I'm trying to work on with myself during this Vlogmas journey, because I'm sitting here thinking content, and then I end up with like a vlog that has 15 minutes of footage that I then have to edit down to make it a more digestible length. So I really did enjoy going over my Spotify Wrapped with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below, like I said, like what we have in common, and then what your top artists are. I would love to hear from you and get to know what your music tastes are, and maybe we can kind of learn from each other. But as always, don't forget to subscribe. If you like Vlogmas, I do have a playlist for Vlogmas with all the videos so far in the description box. Where else you can find me on social media is in the description box. And be sure to subscribe if you do want to see my videos. If you aren't seeing my videos, make sure that you're looking under the subscription tab, because on the YouTube app, that is where everyone that you're subscribed to, their videos will show up in chronological order, which is so beautiful. So be sure to check there. And if you're still not seeing my content, double check that you're subscribed, turn on the bell button so you can be notified when my content is live. And now that that spiel is done, I can send off the video. So as always, thank you so much for your time and energy in this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye everyone.